Okay. Our series for today is Top 10 Most Famous Commercial Aircraft. You will identify the aircraft and that's it. Okay, number 1,
A320.
A320.
Yeah.
Okay, 1 point. Next,
737
ano?
dash 800.
Oh, ang galing ah. Next,
777-300 ER.
ano yan?
777-300 ER.
300 ER. Ano yung ER means?
Extra range.
Extra range?
It can go.
3 points.
Yeah.
Next,
A350.
ano yan?
What do you
Paano mo nalaman na A350 yan?
I know I see that, but it's because of that. Kung ganyan yung gear tilt, it's ganyan yung 380 gear tilt. Kasi pag may ganyan, that means 350. Kung wala, that means...
Alin yung ganyan?
Huh?
Alin yung ganyan?
I don't know.
Ito.
Yeah, that one. Yeah.
Yan. Meron siyang ano,
Black.
mask.
Oh,
Pero A350 ano yan? Dash ano?
900. Easy!
Next.
787
Ano?
dash 8.
Dash 8?
Yeah.
Wrong! Next.
But at least I got the correct wait.
Yeah. Next.
A380 dash
Yeah.
800.
Yes.
Then why do you have the Qantas Airlines every? Is that Qantas 32 that landed safely?
Yeah, BHOQJ pala yan. OQJ. So, minodify yan sa Lufthansa. Technic Philippines.
So, yeah.
Oh, ayan oh.
747-400.
Dash.
400.
Paano mo nalaman na dash 4?
Kasi kung may winglets, that means it's dash 400. Kung wala, it might be 300, 200, or 100. Or SCA.
SP.
Yeah.
Ano ba yung SP?
Small version of 747-100.
Galing ah, dash 4. Next. Yan, ano yan?
That's an Embraer 170.
Ha?
Embraer 170.
Embraer, tama ka, pero
E170.
E190E2, bago yan.
Bago yan.
Mm-hmm.
It's a newer version of E190.
Mm-hmm.
Pero why did it look smooth? Why does it look like AI and it looks like an Embraer 170? Kasi yung Embraer 170, it's short.
Baka AI yan kasi release pa lang. Next.
ATR 72.
Dash.
In my opinion, that's 500 or 200 or 300 or 400 or 500.
It's 600!
Yes!
Oh, next. Yan.
Q400.
Ha?
Q400.
Q400? Paano mo nalaman?
Because I already know this plane. I know all the airplanes.
Ayan, oh.
Yeah, the last dash is Q400.
Oh, yan. Final.
A350 PAL again.
Oh. Anong dash yan?
Huh?
Anong dash yan?
Dash 900. Look at that.
Oh, dash 900? Sure?
Oh, kasi ganyan yung gear tilt eh.
Ito daw yan eh. A350
Kasi
dash
dapat 3. Dapat 3. Walang
Oh.
gear tips diyan.
Ganon?
Oh, ganito. Ganito siya.
Si Mami. Mami, ano to? C3503. Dash ano yan? Dash 900? Oh, mali pala ako. Mali na naman yung AI ko.
Hindi AI yan, perfect, pero 900 lang yan.
Ah.
Kasi dapat 3.
Oh, mali yung research ko. Oh, no. Okay. Let's end our series for today.
Tomorrow
Top 10 most famous commercial aircraft.
Tomorrow na.
Oh, bye-bye ka na.
Bye, guys!